Hello loves. So I wanted to share with you how I got these rolls today using one of the DIY Victory Roll hair tools. And this I showed you how to make in one of my previous videos. This is like a hair sausage. So that's a Dollar Tree bun form. I cut in half, sewed up, and used hair from one of my haircuts up in the front. Now you could also use synthetic hair. So using this. So what I do with this, I can also use it like a roller and place it like that. Just pin it in place, but something else, and I'm actually going to post a link to the video for my inspiration down below. Okay, so what I would do, I'm going to show you how easy this is. I'm going to put some anchors in. So anchoring is just adding a couple of placeholders, if you will, little bobby pins. This is a little wonky because I don't have it secured, obviously. Okay, so you're going to place your hair sausage above your anchor, and then you're going to bring the hair up. You can bring it up and over, so this is what it's going to look like. Okay. And then you're going to pin your hair sausage in. So in the front and the back. Let's do this. There's really no scalp on this, so it's kind of grabbing wig. Okay. Or actually, I'm sorry, grabbing lace. So this is what you have. So your hair is just over your sausage, over your form, and then you bring it to the front. So I brought it to the front. It's covering most of the sausage. Now, you can either use the DIY little homemade Victory Roll tool using a travel lint roller like I showed you, or you could use a doll pin or your hands, your fingers. So what you're going to do is just shape a little kind of swirl, I'll call it a swirl, around the front. You're going to pin that in place. Okay, so there's the contrast. So you can see. And there's the back of it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come over with the back of it. Let me show you. And just very gently, very carefully smooth over the back of your hair form, the back of your little hair sausage. And this is what you're left with. And it's great because, again, it is minimum effort for maximum effect. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye-bye.